Thirikari ya Naikuru o hamwe na kigina gia CDF gia gicigo kia UMBUNGE kia NAIVASHA ni moretio ni Ministry ya Githomo guteithiriria arutwo aria mahitukite wega no aciari ao matiri no hoti wa kumatwara form 1 na bursary cia mathomo. Nancy Mutai uria ni murugamiriri wa githomo mwena wa NAIVASHA oigite RITANA RIRI riumanite na gukorwo arutwo ingi mahitukaga wega kuma miciite hotete no makaga mweke wa kuheo bursary niguo guthii na mbere na mathomo mao.
All well wishers, corporate organizations in the area, Community Development Fund or CDF and our county government to assist in taking up some of the remaining 272 applicants who did not qualify for the scholarship program.
Mutai oigite makiria ma arutwo 300 aria maikite ihoya ria scholarship kuma kuri bengi ya Equity anana tu aria maumite miciite hotete no macaguritwo.
We received over 300 applications that we considered this year, did interviews. We first of all shortlisted, interviewed and then did home visits before we were able to sit and draw the final list.
Evans Miranga murugamiriri munene wa ruhonge rwa bengi ya Equity NAIVASHA augite mari na mubango wa guteithia makiria ma arutwo 8,000 aria maumite miciite hotete o hamwe na kumahe mieke ya internship, akiuga makiria ma arutwo 56,000 ni mateithikite na mubango wa Wings to Fly.
Another 8,337 have been able to join us under the internship programs, fully paid within the bank. And for those who didn't manage to go to university, we have also placed them under the TVET institutions, about 3,000 of them, 454.
Murugamiriri wa thukuru cia secondary board niyo Apollo Kamau ni oreti aria mateithikite na mubango uyu gwikirira kio mathomo-ini mao niguo nao makahota guteithiriria ciana ingi.
Lingine ambalo ningeweza kutilia mkazo sana kwa wanafunzi wetu, suala la nidhamu katika shule za upili, kwa sababu sasa wameweza kufanikiwa, wasifikirie wamefanikiwa katika kila jambo.
Aciari aria ciana ciao igunikite na mubango uyu hamwe na arutwo ni macoketie ngatho.
I am very glad myself that I will be able to fulfill my dreams and help my family.
Umetusaidia sana juu hata nilikuwa mmenikuta mtoto wako mgonjwa, mama amefariki dunia, mkaniokorea mtoto wangu, nasema mbarikiwe na Mungu azidi kuwainua na Equity iwe juu sana dunia nzima.
Geri Fotera, Kameme TV, Jetago Nyambura wa Kiruba.